Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So time is now. Is this the beginning of the short squeeze, guys? So as we know, AMC, it runs fast. Whenever we start to have a confirmation of a true reversal or a short-term reversal, even if it don't sustain itself, you guys got to get smarter. Know how to maneuver your way throughout all this ruckus and still be able to laugh at the end of the day whenever this thing does blow the top off. Meaning, if AMC was to shoot up to $40, $50, and we know how volatile this bad boy is, and you don't shave some off the top, especially if you started a whole new position at 13, 14, 9, 10, and you up 500, 400%, and don't take none off the top, watch it go to 50, right back down to 15 or 20, then that's on you. You deserve to get what's coming for you. Because like I told you guys, the best way to play this game and to play it and beat them at their own game is to always shave that tree. Shave off the top. Get your initial investment out. Play with their money. Play with house money. That way, you don't care what happens. I mean, you want it to go up, obviously. We want it to do what it's supposed to do. But whenever you that comfortable in the market and playing very conservative and like a little scaredy cat, that's basically what we got to call it. Whenever you play that way, you always set yourself up for success, because you're not just throwing your way out there, throwing yourself out there and making yourself vulnerable for disruption. And that's what can happen in the market. You could lose everything, blow up your whole account, throw more money in it, lose all that too, if you don't play how I just mentioned. So anyways, guys, AMC though, I told you guys last night's video, AMC is ready to rip on today, guys. But we've been wrong, countless amount of times in the past. So just for me to say that, I'm not, boasting or anything. We just speaking on what we called out. We had said we should run on today, and we did have a lot of hates in the comment. People talking that still holding AMC, saying it wasn't going to do anything. But anyways, this bad boy is playing out exactly how we called it out to be, guys. If you paid attention to the numbers, to the details of how I called it out, it's not trying to brag anything, just seeing it hit every step of the way. And it's holding up at levels that, dang, that's what he was just talking about. But anyways, we was talking about that major level on 1450 yesterday. That's what we needed to get through. It was very choppy on yesterday. A lot of volatility. We was breaking down under it at the beginning of the day. But I said this bad boy is ready to hold 1450 on yesterday. Being for the fact that every time we broke 1450, we quickly got right back there in the blink of an eye. And then we ended yesterday above 1450 at 1473. And straight out of the gate this morning, we seen that push up to 15 like we was expecting. I told you guys, after we broke 1450, where we going? Go look at the videos. I said we're going straight, no hesitation, no ifs, ands, and buts about it. We going straight to $15.80, right around that range. As soon as we went up to 1580-ish earlier around lunchtime, we got there and we kind of chilled, stopped, and settled. Like, dang, like this the exact level he was just saying. 1580. Once we got to 1580, go back to the video, I said if we continue to have that buying pressure, that momentum, which I believe we will have, we could see the low 16s, right around 1610, right around 1615. And go look at the peak of the day, what it was, 1613. Exactly what we said, guys. So then this the interesting thing now. Usually whenever we hit those pivot points like that 1580 that we called out, or the low 16s, that would be a sell point for a lot of day traders, short-term investors, for a nice market maker, psychological points to come into play as well. It'll sell off from that point. Okay, people got what they wanted. Now it's about to sell off and pull all the way back from 1580 to the low 16s back and test to see how strong support truly is at 1450, which I'm glad we didn't go back there. I love when we can hold and keep our gains and continue to have that FOMO drive us even higher. So anyways, as we seen, what was interesting is as we ran up to 1580, the low 16s, like I was expecting us to at lunchtime, usually when we're having a sell-off. As soon as we did that, we started to pull back, to give back some of those lunchtime gains. But it was just a teensy pullback. It wasn't really a pullback at all, because we held up above that 1570-ish barrier, meaning instead of, that was our next resistance, right around 1580 in the low 16s. Now, instead of pulling back, we held throughout lunch at that range at 1570-ish, 1580s. We held near our highs. So that's showing great signs of strength in a continuation that could easily happen, guys. Like I told you guys, I was headed for that 20 on this week. If we held up above 14.50 early on that good old Monday, I knew $20 is easily possible this week, guys, and we still on track to go ahead and make that happen. So AMC is looking good, guys. Get ready for the FOMO because it's about to come in. And these shorts, man, I feel bad for you guys. I ain't gonna pick at y'all how y'all picked at us. We're gonna just let the market do what it do. We're gonna let it. I like to play game fair and square. I let it do what it do. You get what I'm saying? So you already know, guys. I love y'all. Edgy Boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.